Microchip's EMC230x family of PWM fan controllers simplifies multi-fan driver overhead and control in servers, networking equipment, industrial applications, and more. The EMC230x family offers up to 5 independently controlled PWM fan drivers with PWM frequencies from 9.5 Hz to 26 kHz. Each fan driver can operate with an advanced closed-loop fan speed control algorithm or in direct PWM-controlled mode. When set to RPM-based fan speed control, also known as closed-loop fan speed control, the controller automatically updates the PWM drive setting to meet the target speed. Each mode of operation uses a spin-up routine and user-definable ramp rate controls. The control algorithm can also detect aging, locked, or stalled fans and then alert or interrupt the system. The EMC230x family is offered in 8 to 16-pin packages. The controllers are SM-Bus compliant and can be internally or externally clocked, and they have a clock output to sync multiple devices in large distributed systems. Additional information about the EMC230x family of PWM fan controllers can be found by following the on-screen link.